So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, 27th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices in the past and where they may likely go in the future. Now, as we can see here over to your left, we've come down towards that 112. We've had a bit of a test. We're not exactly 112, in around this 112.10 or so. So what we have seen is, just bear with me a second here. So we've come back down, had a test, another test, another test. Now we did see bullish buy side momentum come into the market. We had a test of the 112.77. Again, it was previously resistance over here before we saw the sell-off. Had a brief pullback towards that 112.52, slightly traded below it. In the grand scheme of things, we've got our lows here, higher low there. We've had a retest back of this 112.52. It has held. We've had a breakout above this 112.77, which was previously some resistance. We've had a consolidation below the 200 period moving average and a break from which pullback. Continuation all the way up to 13.56. Now, up at 13.56, what we can see here is prices have stalled around 113.56. Not too much of a surprise considering it is a major level marked out here in red. And what we have seen is a slow trending move to the downside. We've not seen an instant reversal. What we have seen is a slow move to the downside. Not very decisive, not indicating that the bears have complete control of the market. Well, the dollar bears anyway, or the yen bulls, not have complete control of the market. But overall, it has been a consistent move to the downside. So if we do see the continuation, we'll see our prices react to our 1304, where we do see bullish buy side momentum taking us back all the way back up to 1356. If however we do break down from 1304, we'll see our prices react in around this confluence of the 200 400 period moving average, currently converging on one another at present. So we'll see our price react whether this it's in around this 1290. So we'll see if we do see some bullish buy side momentum coming off at 1290, a breakdown from which we're looking for 1277. Again, very strong level marked out here in red. Potential area we might see a bounce or down towards that 1252. Again, marked out in red. Potential area where we could see a bounce. Don't anticipate prices moving beyond 1252 as we are in a bit of a low volatility period at present. But if we do have a fundamental catalyst that move beyond 1252, we'll be looking to see around at 1210. 1210. I'm saying 1210. I do think I did have a 1215. There it is. Wonder why wasn't it showing up on my chart? Yes, there it is. 1215. I can't believe I didn't see that. So sorry about that. Yes, I thought it was a bit strange. I didn't have a chart. Yes, so this weekly level marks out of my charts on the charts from a couple of weeks now. So in around this 12.15, if we do break down from 12.52, again, in around that 12.15, we did see prices come down towards there and did find support. So we do have these wicks that did trade below this 12.15. But as indicated by the buy side momentum that we have seen, we did close back above this 12.15. So even though we did trade below it, we did close back above this 12.15. So 12.15, an area again, we'll be looking to see if we do have bullish buy side momentum. So if we do see a lot of volatility, move down towards that 12.15 if we do break below 12.52. Now if we do see upside continuation, if we did break above this 13.56, the very next level that we would be targeting is all the way up at 14.30. Now 14.30 is a very, very strong level. I wouldn't anticipate it coming into focus. I would expect 113.56 to hold, but if we did trade above it, 114.30 would be the next target. But again, it's a very strong level, and I wouldn't anticipate it breaking here on the 27th of December. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So on this daily chart, US dollar Japanese yen, I might as well point it out as I'm here, 114.30, as you can see here, by these huge sell-offs, is a very strong level. Now, most recently, as we can see here, we've come towards that 13.56. We did see quite a bit of sell side momentum taking us all the way back down to 12.15. Again, we've come to 13.56, and we have put in a bearish pin bar, which is a bearish sign. But of note is the candles which have followed this bearish pin bar. So we've got these smaller candles indicated by their bodies Usually a small candle such as this after a big move to the upside are more indicative of a retracement rather than a reversal. Now these candles, the size of the candles may be indicative of the low volatility period that we're in at present, but we'll take the market for as it is and pretty much trade what we see. So these small candles here, well, analyze what we see. The small candles here are indicative somewhat of a retracement rather than reversal, so we could potentially see that upside momentum to retest of 1356, frequency of test of 1356, possible bounce heading towards that 1430. And yeah, so overall move, so we've had a pullback there, so we've got a lows down here, higher low there. We'll see if this is a retracement before we do see test of 1356, possible break, move towards our 11430, or we could have a test of 1356 and a subsequent breakdown towards that 1215. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, as you can see here, more recently, so we've had our lows there. We do appear to put in a high low there as well, so we do look poised for more upside continuation. And again, we're looking for that 11430 is a very strong level. We'll see how prices react there. Now let's just have a look at the monthly chart. Just bear with me a second here. So on this monthly chart, again, there's a degree of somewhat indecisiveness in this market. So we've had our lows there. We've had a deep pullback, very deeper pullback than we would like ideally. So we've got our lows, and we do look poised for upside continuation. We do seem to be in a period of consolidation at present, as indicated by these candles, not pretty much either breaking down or moving to the upside. So we're in a bit of a consolidation at present before possibly see a move to the upside of this higher low. And with that said, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.